Bring out the dog.
Where's the dog?
Open the door.
You're down. Dog.
All right, go open it. Go open it and run back. All right, go. Go fast. Go open it and then run back. Hurry up. Hurry up, fast. It's grandma's house. Fast. Open it. Open it fast. Oh my goodness. Open it. Open the door and run. Yeah, open it. She don't know what the fuck going on. Go down like this. Oh my goodness. Onyx, my boy.
Yeah, we were watching your video.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Yep.
Yay!
And that's my daughter.
I'm getting it. Grandma just made sloppy joes. Grandma! I'm about to give it a taste test. That's good.
Okay.
Is it hot?
Yeah, a little bit. That's still good. A little bit. The dog.
Oh, with mommy.
Man, damn it.
Wait, I gotta go get in the shower. I gotta wash my butt. Hi, guys.
My daughter just killed this bee with them glasses. Then you do it. He lying. Look, he trying to help her guy. Oh man, you finna make a whole bunch come. Come on, get your sandwich. Get your sandwich. That's a tuna. What is it?
Here, Melanie, you want some?
Egg.
Tuna egg sandwich, and she loves it.
You want some?
It's good. Oh, that's what I'm
Yes.
talking about.
You're a big girl.
She was swimming and she ain't have a bonnet, so I put a bag around her head. That's how daddy do it.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I hope you guys had a fun time with our videos, and make sure you guys to watch more. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.